The Cujo Smart Firewall. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Cujo Smart Firewall, which can secure your home network. With the growing number of network devices, home security will become the priority for many. This device can secure all your connected devices, from your mobile devices, computers, security cameras, and smart home devices. You can pick this up online for $249. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is the Cujo Firewall, which connects to your home router. Inside it comes with a startup guide, an Ethernet cable, and the power cord, which I already plugged in. Some features of the device are business level security, parental controls, guards all devices, and has app control. There are no monthly subscriptions with the $249 price, and you will get regular updates. Threat intelligence, behavior analysis, HTTPS inspection, and machine learning. The code for Cujo is proprietary and not open source. The parental control allows for website filtering, schedules, time limits, and user profiles. The device itself has a unique look. It has eyes on the front that will tell you the status, which we'll go over in a bit. The top has the company branding, and the body is plastic all around. On the back you have two Ethernet ports and the reset button, and the power input. Here are just some of the specs of the device. Dual core 1GB processor, 4GB flash, 1GB RAM, cryptographic hardware acceleration, and so on. Setup can be quick or a bit tricky, depending on your type of router or the setup you have at home. There are a few ways to set it up, and it can require some manual configuration. Support is very helpful and responsive. If the initial installation walkthrough in the app does not work, I highly recommend to contact the support. Here it shows the different status for the lights. A full set of lights means a threat is detected. The top lights, everything is okay. Bottom lights only means it's disconnected. Blinking lights, upgrade is in progress. The lights can also be disabled in the settings. To start the installation, you need to download the Cujo app and create a login. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard and the status. You can see the threats that are being blocked as well. Clicking on the threat will show you which device was affected, along with the action that was taken. Clicking on it will give you more details of what was blocked. The devices option will show you a list of the devices on your network and the status of the connections. Access will allow you to create controls for access and restrictions. This is where you can manage the parental controls. And finally, the More option will let you adjust settings, such as disabling the firewall, turning off the lights, and network setup. The Cujo Smart Firewall. The firewall is another option for those that are looking to secure their home network. Having used the Cujo for a bit, I did find it a bit noisy and blocking a lot of ad-related stuff from just visiting your typical news sites or shopping sites. Compared to the Firewalla that I previously reviewed, the Firewalla provided a lot more insight on your network and has more advanced features. You can't really see and drill down on the events and logs like the Firewalla. Setup can be a bit challenging, but support is available. Simple in operation, and it just works in the background and has a unique design. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.